Jorgensen contacted me and asked me if I would be interested in checking out their new flush trim saw. I said, sure. So they sent it over. This is their 5-inch flush trim saw. Let's take it out and see what we got in here. Typical Jorgensen colors, wood handle, nice feeling handle. Premium SK5 Japanese steel blade. It's super thin and bendable. On one side you have 25 teeth per inch, and on the other you have 18 teeth per inch. So obviously hardwood versus softwood, that'd help out. Let's see how this thing cuts. This is just kind of a simulation. I don't really have any projects I'm working on right now that would need this. Well, let's give it a shot. Wow, that was quick. I actually think it cut much better than the other brand of flush trim saw I've been using. I'm gonna try the other side. That was the 25 tooth per inch. Let me try the 18 tooth per inch. Yeah, that's a super clean cut. That's an impressive little flush trim saw. I look forward to using it on some of my future projects.